Hello and welcome everybody. In this video we are going to be talking about ClickBank affiliate marketing. If you're new to my channel, it is about business, entrepreneurship, marketing, and of course how to make money online. So hit that bell icon and hit the notification icon and subscribe and like and subscribe. You know the drill. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is ClickBank, and let's go to the affiliate marketplace on ClickBank. If it can load, let's see. Now this is the affiliate marketplace, and these are all the categories, and it's basically a bunch of info products. The top categories in ClickBank would be the health, the wealth, business, and marketing, and then I would definitely say health and fitness is the best, but there's also, where is it? Obviously wealth, and then there's dating and relationships, which would be the third. I would recommend sticking with the health because so many people want to get fit, so many people want to get that six-pack, you know what I mean? So this is the most important part. I think you go to the category, then you click over here and you slide to gravity, and this basically says, okay, these are all the really popular ones. If it has really high gravity, it means a lot of people are promoting it and you want to promote it too. So let's click on the link to their site and check it out. So here's a very popular landing page. It looks like crap in my opinion. I'd never really promote it, but there you go. I'm gonna turn that off. You want to keep looking for really good ones, like this one I think. Wait, no, the red detox one is one I've seen that I think is really good. Yeah, this one's super good. It's converting like gangbusters. This one looks like crap. Alright, cool. So I promote this one. I'll just stay there. Alright, if you don't know what all these icons mean, they basically just represent, okay, the flag means it's US, this means it's, I think it means, one time, and then recurring, and then one-time trial, all these different things. I would make sure that it's mobile optimized every time. I'd make sure that it's got pitch plus for sure. Alright, so there's that. Now, here's how much you could probably make doing it. Let's look at the example of the lean belly breakthrough. Wait, no, sorry. Let's see, red detox one. Alright. And they pay out $37.50. So, $30.50, and you drive a bunch of traffic to your offer, but 50 people buy, you made $1,875. So the potential there is really good. You don't know the strategies yet, I'm assuming, so we're going to go over the strategies right now and build out a funnel and everything for you. And you need to understand the math behind how to make money online. So here's a metric called EPC. It stands for earnings per click. Now, let's just say that you made $5,000 from running your offer. So that's your total, how much you made, divided by how many clicks you got over to your offer. Let's say you got 2,000 clicks. Your earnings per click would be $2.50. So that's really important to understand, because if you're spending $1 per click, then it's worth it to you because you're making $1.50 back every time. Make sense? Now, another one you need to understand is cost per click, which is basically how much it costs per click with the ad network you're using. So on Facebook, typically it's above $1 from what I've seen for the traffic ads, the traffic objective ads. So let's say you get 1,000 clicks. There you go, that's how much it costs. Now, that 1,000 clicks, let's say that 1% go through and you collect their email. Alright, it's usually not 1%, but let's just say it's 1%. You get 10 emails and you spent $1,200 to do so, but you make this much money. There you go, and now you have 10 emails that you can follow up on other health related offers. You're losing money, that's probably the biggest part. That's the biggest problem. Now, if you can figure out how to make your cost per click be really low, which means you need a high CTR, which is the click-through rate, So if you can make an ad that gets a high click-through rate, then your cost per click will go down. So just keep that in mind. If you can, you're gonna make more money if your cost per click's really low, is all I'm saying. Now let's build out the funnel. ClickBank affiliate marketing funnel, let's go. See if it's loading, sorry about that. Okay, so you're gonna be driving traffic with many methods. I'm gonna lay them all out here for you. One of them would be Google AdWords. That's Google's search engine traffic kind of thing. And then you could also do Bing ads. That's right, in Bing ads. Bing ads, okay. You could also pay for someone's email list. Another one would be definitely Facebook. That's what we're thinking about doing. And also Instagram. Twitter has very, very cheap ads. I picture in the future people talking about that more. YouTube ads, that's kind of hard if you don't know how to make videos, but I mean, we live in the age where videos are very, very high converting, so I would recommend doing video ads if you can, of course. Let's see, those are several ways. Let's see if I'm missing anything. Another one would be a new way of promoting offers called Affilify. Affilify is really cool. I'll talk about it a little bit later, but these are a bunch of traffic methods. You only need one to make it big if you think about it. Now, let's get a page out here, the opt-in page. So you want to build an opt-in page, you want to have an incentivized offer in exchange for their email. So what if you made a secret video about whatever niche you're in, like how to get a six-pack in 30 days or even less. Something very, very clickbaity, if you will. Now, let's just do this, boom, boom. You don't need to do all these traffic methods, just pick one or two and send them to your opt-in page and collect those emails. Right after the opt-in page, what you do is, this is where you get the email. The opt-in page is where you get your email, and you can follow up with them on anything. Like, you can promote to them forever unless they get offended from you or don't trust you anymore, basically. So once you acquire a customer, they're your customer. So just realize that. All right, so you also, once you get the email, I would send, I would send the ebook to them, or the incentive. And I would do a bunch of follow-ups later, like a whole entire thing, like this. Ton of emails giving value and promotions and everything. Maybe at the bottom of every email you do a promotion. Now, the next part of your funnel would definitely be a thank you page, in my opinion, with an offer wall on it, like a bunch of boxes, just sending them, and a bunch of links, sending them to other places. So you can send them to a bunch of different social media outlets you have for your brand, or you could send them to a couple other affiliate offers on ClickBank. You know, you've got a ton here to promote. Let's see. Where are we? So that goes there. Now you could do a sales page before the thank you page, just to get them in the buyer mindset before they go to the thank you page. Or you could also this is one way. Or you could just straight up send them to the sales page of the affiliate offer. After they opt in, there could be a redirect. When you use your funnel builder, you can build a redirect straight to that sales page of the affiliate offer you're promoting, which would go straight here. And you make $37.50. It's obviously a good offer. I bet the conversion rate isn't going to be 1%. You're probably going to have a higher conversion rate, but I just said that because we got to be super realistic here, I guess. I mean, my conversion rates are way higher than 1% every time, so I bet yours are too. This is the very simple funnel. This is where you get your traffic. I would recommend go researching how to drive traffic with all these different methods. Now here's Affilify, which I told you I'd talk to you about. It's a new tool, and basically what you can do is you can promote all your affiliate offers, and you just have to pay a monthly subscription fee, and it's very, very cheap. You add products, and then You post them on here, you have your own profile and everything you can send your traffic directly to, not just to the home page. And the buyers that come on, they vote on products. The most popular will get shown up at the top. You just want to promote products that will do very well. This is just a bunch of physical products. You could promote digital products if you want, doesn't matter. Just find good products and post them and put your affiliate link in it. So let's do this. Let's add a product. That's what it looks like. Kind of. It's just loading. It's usually faster. I'm gonna go to my sign in here. Cool. Alright, so what you do, this is from the inside. You do the product title, just the link, the call to action button, and then you upload your image. Then you add the product tag, and then you post it. Now we don't want any really ugly looking posts with text on them, on the image, weird, text things like $signs and exclamation points, all these things. We don't want that. And look, it's got a bunch of thumbs down, so obviously that's bad. We recommend just a very simple one with the checkout button or whatever. Now when it posts, it goes to the home page. Here's what the nav looks like. Alright, so here are the benefits of using it. There are many advantages for using Affiliate's platform, which include you basically get free hosting. There's no technical headache. You just post your affiliate links and you drive traffic to it. You post endless products. Take advantage of other marketers' traffic. You actually can get people clicking on your links even if you never bought them there. There's no spam. Take advantage of many product categories. You don't need to make your own website to maintain and drive traffic to. You don't need a domain name. Other people are making money using Affiliate. We provide resources to educate you and how to make this successful. And it can become very passive the more product links you have up on Affiliate's platform. And I think the coolest part about Affiliate is with all the different marketers and affiliate marketers driving traffic to Affiliate and to their profiles of all the products they posted. Here, let's just look at my profile. That traffic could go to the home page, scroll through, and click on your link and go buy from your link. Make sense? So that's why Affiliate is so good. To close up, I just want to say a couple more things. In making money online, it's not always about the front end, it's really about the back end. So I'd really focus on your back end is what I'm trying to say, with your email list and making quality promotions and sales pages through the traffic on your email list, driving them to the sales page and driving them to more offers. The money's made on the back end, it's never made on the front end. Big companies barely ever break even on the front end, but they make money on the back end and the long-term value of their customers. The LTV is something I wanted to mention, like the lifetime value of your customer. If you were to figure out that on average every customer you get through the email of and when they go through the funnel, if they are worth $40 to you because lifetime value, I would say typically it should be at least $100 though. So for every person that you get an email from, so let's say you get 500 emails, you made $50,000 through the lifetime value of them. This is a big variable, like we don't know how much you're going to promote to them and stuff, but it's probably going to be even higher than that. Now you're probably even going to have an even bigger email list than that. If you know the value of each subscriber on your email list, it should typically be $1. So if you have 20,000 emails, it should be $20,000 a month. Alright, so that's something you got to keep in mind. Instagram free traffic is another traffic method I didn't mention, but just do follow, unfollow you can do with Instagram to your page. You could post in Facebook groups, which is one I didn't mention. Another thing would be you could make a YouTube channel. I didn't really specify that, I just put out YouTube, but make a YouTube channel, put out content for health and fitness for that niche, and then get the traffic to your links or to your opt-in page and start making a lot of money there. Paid traffic, I think you definitely need to treat your business like a business. When you reach the point where you can spend money, that's the best way to go, because you make money when you spend money. Like, it's as simple as that. Treat your business like a business. Use a funnel builder. Spend money to make money. Figure out the math of your business, the EPC, the CPC, the LTV of your customers, and you should be good. Also, set up a autoresponder in place right after you get the person's email. Plan out a whole sequence for the emails, of course. And that's about it. You have a good day. Also, just check out the link in the description that will take you to my products page. I'm going to have more up, but here's a secret affiliate marketing method that no one's talking about, which I'm doing to make over $100 per day. So if you're interested in that, check it out. You can make the money back. It's $97, so I don't know why you wouldn't do it. And then if you're interested in seeing a bunch of ways to make money online, then there's that list, $10. And here's a funny little course I have about what you can learn from Logan Paul and KSI. It does have some good content in there, and you can learn a lot from it, so I recommend that one too. It's just $1. It supports my channel, and so I can keep posting videos and everything for you guys and giving value. So you guys have a good day. Peace out, my friend. Bye.